Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about a squared plus 2ab plus b squared equals to a plus b to the power of 2. So if we look carefully about this one, this is about number 4, and we put about 2 multiplied by 2. Number 4 in here, that's about 2 to the power of 2. So we apply the formula in here, and you got about x plus 2 to the power of 2. And now we need to simplify x plus 2 on numerator and denominator. We see that if we put negative number 2, you go in here, you got about 0. So in this situation, we can consider about the limit on the left and the limit on the right. So about this one, when s approaches to negative number 1 on the left, the value of s in here is smaller than number 2, so you got about negative number. But this number in here, you got about positive. The positive divided by negative, you got about negative. So because 1 divided by 0, you got about infinity. So we put about infinity in here, and you got about negative infinity. Similar for this one. This one should be about positive infinity. And this is the answer for the question. Question number 2. We have the formula in here. A squared minus b squared equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So we can apply the formula in here, and you got about s minus 5, s plus 5. Number 2 and number 10, we can do another factorization. So we simplify s minus 5 on numerator and denominator. And now I can put number 5 in here. And you got about 10 over 2. And you got about number 5. This is the end. Thank you for watching.